To get the most out of Lexia, you will need to go to your home page, select the class that you're working with for after school. Once you get to this page here, this will let you know the level that all of your students are on. Up here for the skill, well, let's look right here. You got three that needs the explicit instruction. You will click on that number and it will tell you what they need the instruction on. So you will click it. It gives you the lesson and it also tells you everything that you need to do in order to implement that lesson. It's scripted. You also have the option to look at the skill builders. Once you click on the skill builders, it gives you the lessons. Once again, it tells you what that child is working on and it gives you worksheets for the child to complete that will help them build the skill that they are needing. Once you do these activities and check it with the students instead of just giving it to them, you do need to pull them at the table and go over these activities with the student. After you do that and the student gets it right or wrong, then you'll have the option to mark as delivered. I'll close it for right now. And you also have that ability to go over here. If you gave it to all of them and you had a chance to go over it, you will just go over here and click and it uh, selects all the students and it marked them as delivered as well. If that is not what you are really needing, you'll go over here to where it says the class table. For the class table, it gives you your students at a glance. It tells you once again what levels they're on. Over here, if I click the print for reports, student reports. Over here, you'll have to click the students where the drop menu, in order for this to be activated, see if I do not click right here, this is grayed out, it will not let me select it. So you'll need to click here or click the student that you're in question about. This drop down menu, go down to the skills report. It takes a minute to generate. And you can also do this one student at a time as well. So it gives you the activities that the students have completed, as well as the activities that they're working on. If you look right here at this scale right here, this is pre-K, kindergarten, first, second, and so forth. So right now, this student, although she's a first grade student, she's 71% finished with with the kindergarten skills in order to prepare her for the first grade core. You look here and it will tell you what skills that you can pull some lessons on, so you can print this report so you can see, and I'll cross-reference it in just a minute. I'll just remember ending sounds, short vowel sounds. I'll close it and I can go to my main page over here where it says resources and go under Lexia Core 5, Lexia Lessons. It will generate. And if I recall correctly, she had kindergarten and she had some beginning sounds. So I'll just click this one where it says beginning sounds kindergarten level 2, and it's phonological awareness. And once again, it will give you a scripted, explicit lesson that you can go over with this child at the table, making sure that it is one-on-one and it's more beneficial for the students. It even gives you a check for understanding. You don't really have to print these, but these right here, you do need to print them. If you need to, you can send them to the printer in the front, or you can send it to me and I can print it out for you if you send me the link as to what you would like for me to print. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. It's very important that we make the best of this after school opportunity and making sure that the students are not spending too much time on the computer and we're given that explicit instruction. Thank you.